We're all familiar with the saying, reduce, reuse, and recycle. However, as a society, we often forget to take prevention, recover, and dispose into consideration. As a whole, we must be educated on how to reduce, reuse, and recycle waste and the benefits of doing so. First, we must be educated on why waste is harmful. In a lot of countries, the waste is buried in landfill sites, which are holes in the ground, old quarries, or specially dug. Some waste will eventually rot, but not all, and in the process it may smell or degenerate methane gas, which is explosive and contributes to the greenhouse effect, according to Green Choices. There are simple tricks to preventing waste. Simply buy less. Keep your electronics until they absolutely cannot be used anymore, or reduce the numbers of items you want and stick to what you need. When shopping, think about reused items other than brand new. Coffee cups and straws, we can use reusable ones. The ones that we just throw away take a lot more energy compared to the reusable ones. Preventing waste is something so simple as bringing your own grocery bags to the grocery store instead of using the plastic ones that are offered. Most of us receive junk mail, although there are alternative options, being Walgreens allows you to set up receipt emails instead of giving you paper receipts. How should we recover our items? In construction, there are numerous opportunities to recover and use materials, such as wood, drywall, cardboard, brick, concrete, metal insulation, and glass. Materials found at unwanted buildings can be reused on-site through local markets or recycled off-site. Even items from childhood use can be recovered from our closets, donated, and put to better use. It is holiday season now, and we like to give gifts. Wrapping clothes can be difficult, so we use boxes. Those boxes, instead of just throwing them away on Christmas Day, we can reuse them for the following year. What is the proper way to dispose of our waste? When you are on a walk at the park, do you feel ashamed when you see all the trash on the ground? How about whenever you're driving down the highway and you look on the side of the road? All that trash there. There is a proper way to dispose of that instead of throwing it out the car window. Littering is very easy and the chance of being caught is slim. So why not? Well, who's going to clean up that litter? One day we'll just be living in our waste. If you own any hazardous waste, there are proper ways of disposing it. Being like medical reasons, you use a needle. You have hazardous bins to throw that away instead of there being a risk of somebody getting hurt from that improper disposal. Countries like America provide landfills. That is the most common way of disposing our waste. The companies provide both a trash can and a recycle bin. The idea is to have consumers recycle what can be. This way of disposal is the most financially stable way of throwing away our trash. There are great resources that represent reduce, reuse, and recycle. These resources can help you to understand the importance behind the saying, as well as being involved. It is very simple to properly dispose and reuse our items. As a society, we must act on properly disposing our waste, not only for the environment's safety, but for ours.